Our dog is scared of a balloon. Bella is scared of Go, Bella! Our dog is scared of a balloon.
She peed herself. She peed herself.
Baby, pick her up. Come on, Bella.
You made her pee herself.
I'll make her pee herself.
She peed herself. Oh.
Come on, Bella. Our dog is scared of a balloon. Get that off your back, Bella. What's that following you? What's that following you, Bella? He peeing again. Come on, Bella. I guess you realize you can't escape the balloon. Come on. I guess she figures that she's not gonna move the balloon, scare her too much. Ah, I just stepped in dog shit. Ugh.